Alright, so what's going on with this one is the compressor is not kicking in. What's happening is this relay right here is burned out over time. It just irons up. So what we need to do is take this relay off here, and we're going to put this hard start relay on here, which gives it an extra boost and causes the compressor to run more efficient and run longer. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get that done, squared away, and then we'll be back up and running easy money.